wonderful singing group, and this group happens to come from Mississippi. They've been singing about a year and a half together, so in comparison to James Blackwood, they've only got 64 more years to go. Isn't that something? But they have been singing and they've dedicated their lives. They've been seen on such wonderful programs as People to People. They've been on the Armed Forces Network. They've been on the Reach Network. And I know you're going to enjoy them on the GMT Network. Will you welcome to the stage from Mississippi, the Master's Voice. Let them know that we love them. And here they are to sing for us.
Somebody run, reach the Master. Somebody run, he's moving now. Somebody listen, virtue is flowing. He's calling whosoever will. Somebody run. There is a table of blessing open here today. Somebody run. Somebody run. Somebody run. Somebody run. There is a storehouse of good things waiting to claim. Somebody come unto the Lord. Somebody run. Somebody run. Somebody run. Reach the Master. Somebody run. Somebody run. He's moving now. Hasten. Virtue is flowing. He's calling whosoever will. Somebody run. There is a fountain open from the lineage of David. Somebody run. Somebody run. Somebody run. Somebody run. There is a river of water flowing with life. Somebody come unto the Lord. Somebody run. Somebody run. Somebody run. Reach the Master. Somebody run. Somebody run. He's moving now. Somebody hasten. Virtue is flowing. He's calling whosoever will. Somebody run. There is a day soon to dawn when the sun will descend. He's coming soon. He's coming soon. He's coming He's coming soon. Endless ages in glory for all who believe. Somebody come unto the Lord. Somebody run. Somebody run. Somebody run. Reach the Master. Somebody run. He's moving now. Somebody hasten. Virtue is flowing. He's calling whosoever will. Somebody run. Somebody hasten. Virtue is flowing. He's calling whosoever will. He's called whosoever will. He's called whosoever will. Somebody run. Run. Though the days may be long and the trials are great and the burdens are too hard to bear, though the storm clouds are gathering and the darkness is nigh, I know Jesus will always be there. When the plans I've made have crumbled and things have turned out so wrong, with a broken heart I go to Him in prayer. Then He tells me that He loves me and He'll go with me all day long. When I need Him most, I know He'll be there. I know Jesus is walking close beside me. Through the darkest night I feel His mighty hand. I find strength in Him to carry on and face tomorrow's task. I know Jesus
How many of you know you're saved tonight? Say amen. Yeah.
Once a man blind from birth, merely a beggar here on earth, till the Master made his blinded eyes to see. When they questioned him of how his blinded eyes were opened now, all I know is I was blind, but now I see. All I know is my eyes were blinded. Then he touched me and I've never been the same. I know not how he does such things, yet I believe. All I know is I was blind, but now I see. Once I stood in the night, the path of love I could not find, but now I wander down that darkened path no more. Now the steps I take are sure, for in him I am secure. All I know is I was blind, but now I see. All I know is my eyes were blinded. He touched me and I've never been the same. I know not how he does such things, yet I believe. All I know is I was blind, but now I see. I know not how he does such things, yet I believe. All I know is I was blind, but now I see. All I know is I was blind, but now I
I'll do this for him.
Look around you, dear neighbor, in these times which we live, at the things you can see here today. It can be long till Gabriel his trumpet shall sound, and the Lord comes to take his bride away. Back to the Bible, old time revival. People live at an old time altar to pray. Camping salvation, saints headed for heaven. Back to the old time Christian way. If your life, brother, sister, is not what it should be, but Jesus saves him, forgive you today. You can have peace from heaven down deep in your soul. You gotta go back to the old time Christian way. Back to the Bible, old time revival. People live at an old time altar to pray. Camping salvation, saints headed for heaven. Back to the old time Christian way. Back to the Bible, old time revival. People live at an old time altar to pray. Camping salvation, saints headed for heaven. Back to the old time Christian way. Back to the old time Christian way.
Masters voice. My goodness. Aren't they terrific? You know, I looked over there and saw that bunch, and the guy second from the other end. I guess that's in the baritone spot. He looked so young, you know. Man, I got socks older than that, you know. My goodness. And the fellow on this end, he didn't look like he was from Mississippi, did he, huh? Boy, I tell you, what a group they put together, and they can sing just out of sight. That's great.